Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is Ramandeep Singh and this is the second video of this Python programming course, and in this video we're going to be learning about why we should learn Python. So if someone is a beginner and is looking to learn programming, why that person, a student, a professional should choose Python as the first programming language to learn or to start programming with. So the first and foremost, the advantage of learning Python or starting with Python or choosing Python is the easy syntax. The syntax of Python is relatively easy as compared to C, C++ because like the code is very simple. It's very similar to writing English language. So we do not have to worry about colons. We do not have to worry about braces, etc. So since it is easy to write the code, it is also a more readable code. The second thing is fast development. So when you move ahead, like developing Python systems in Python, backend APIs, those things, it's relatively easy to write. Since it is easy to write the code in Python, the development thing is relatively fast. है ना? The development is relatively fast, and it is like you have to write lesser lines of code in order to solve the same problem as you do in other languages. There's a second advantage of this using this uh, Python. Third is its versatility nature. So that means it's a versatile language. Means it's not only used for writing programs, but developing backend. So like it has a application in a lot of areas. First is development, web development. So we have frameworks like Django, we have Flask. We can use these frameworks to develop web applications, single page applications. Then we have other advantages of Python, that is in AIML. So you know about uh, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Third is data science and analytics. We know about data science and analytics, data analysis. So what are the tools we use in data analysis? Python is one of them. Python, SQL, DBMS, W. So Python is a mandatory thing to learn in order to be a good data analyst. Then we have this game development, automation and scripting. Automation and scripting. So you may have heard about scripts. That means, let's say I want to generate some test cases for some problem. So I have a problem and I want to generate test cases for that problem. That is, problem means a coding problem. So I can simply write a Python script to automate the task. Okay? And there are multiple solutions, there are multiple automated scripts which we can develop using Python. It has a huge library support in Python. We'll learn when we will develop such scripts at the end of this course, so just stay with me. We'll have a good practical examples. Then we have this DSA, data structures and algorithms. Since the code is easy to write, the programming becomes easy. It's easy to develop programs. There are lesser chances of making a mistake, a syntax mistakes, etc. Okay, then we have learned we have also talked about game development. Okay, yeah, the final thing about Python which I want to talk about in this video is a huge community support. So you go and explore people, you go and explore communities over different groups, Discord channels, Telegram channels. You will find a huge community support for the Python, for the Python. uh, NumPy is Panda in case of data handling, etc. So you have a huge community support for Django, Flask, Selenium, automation these days. So that is the last thing that we have in case of Pythons. Okay. So these are few points which you must remember. You should keep in mind that while starting with programming, in order to answer the question to yourself that why you should start with Python. Python, because Python has applications in many areas, not only in programming or developing single page web applications, but also in data analysis, machine learning, what we call artificial intelligence, etc. Okay, cool. So that's all for this video. I hope you got a few pointers to explain to yourself that why you should start with Python. And stay tuned with me. I will see you soon in the next video. We will be setting up the environment for writing the first program in Python. Till then, take care. Bye bye.